Hello Lord of the Rings Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers, Alpha Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have another replica I'd like to show you, and it is the key to Bagend. Let's get right into this. I'm really excited for this one because this is a really cool key. Also, it is a key that Weta just whipped up or made up. It wasn't shown in the movies or anything like that. So it's just a key that they just made up out of thin air kind of thing. And let's see if I can get into here because it's well packaged. All the stuff for the packaging here. Oh, almost got her here. There we go. A shipper box. There. Really, really cool. Look at that close up there. Really cool. Like as you can see, it's just a key that they just whipped up. I don't like, and that you don't see in the movies. I'm going to pause that and you can read that. Really, really cool key. So let's open her up here. Really excited. This really beautiful key. Compared to the other keys that they have made in the past, like the Mirkwood key and the key to Airbor, that they're just plain and simple kind of thing. This is just a quick little video. There we go. Ah, yes. Here. The exciting part. Oh, so nice. This is the stand. See the stand there? Like the squiggly or the pillar looking things there. Pillars. And now the key. Oh, it has a really good weight to it. Just like the other ones. Oh, this one is so cool. Really, really cool. Really cool key. You can see where it kind of goes there. And how does this? Oh, I see. Okay. Sits on top. You can kind of see the reflection off of that, so you can see a little bit better. I'll show you some close-ups still here, really quick here. Just the overview here. Heavy key. Good concept. And everything here. What's that on the end? Oh, that's cool. I'll show you that one on the close-ups here. Yeah, really elegant key and very, very beautiful key. This is just a very beautiful prop replica. So let's show you some close-ups here. So I'll show you some close-ups here. Really elegant. Show you with some reflection in there. Really beautiful. And I like those pillars. They go with the keys so well, because you can see right here with this with the pillars with the squiggly lines, and it goes with the key itself. Very beautiful and very cool. And this is what I was looking at the end here. That's pretty cool. That is cool. Love the design. Weta, you make awesome prop replicas. Really, really cool. So elegant and so exquisite. Love the stand. I like what they did on the bottom, on the front of the key, where you put into the house there. Kind of like, I think they latches something in the door and just pull, and you turn it and unlocks the door. Really like this. This is so, so cool and so beautiful. Again. So that is the key to Bagend 1-to-1 replica. Comment down below what you guys thought of the key to Bagend. Like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you guys in the next video. And stay tuned. I got lots more statues that just came in over the last week. Bye now.